YouTube, what it do, man? 392 Drum, and we back with another video. Hey, look, man, today I'm gonna show y'all what I got done to the Scat New, and as y'all can already see, new wheels. Went with the Hellcat reps. 20x9 in the front on the 275. Then you come to the back, 20x10.5 on a 315. And these 315s is hooking up way better than them 275s I had, bro. Let y'all get a little look in the back. They do poke out a little bit. Come to the other side. I'm telling you, man, they hook up way better than them 275s, bro. 275s, I was slipping and sliding everywhere. Couldn't put the power down. But them 315s, they gonna get you right. Them 315s gonna get you right. You're gonna be able to put that power down and all that, man. But look, y'all a good little look at the rims one more time. And then we come up under the hood, man. I did go JLT cola intake, man. Give y'all a good little look. And man, this cola intake ain't gonna give you like no crazy gains. It's just a good little mod to help the car breathe a little bit better. As y'all already know. Y'all know about cola intakes. But yeah, man. Today I'm gonna give y'all a ride along with the 315s, the new wheel setup and the cola intake. So let's do it, man. All right, YouTube, we back in the whip, man. As y'all can see, man, for this video purpose, man, we're gonna go my custom mode setup, man. We're gonna go my custom mode setup. And I'm gonna just give y'all a little ride along with the new wheel setup and the JLT cola intake. So let's do it, y'all. Oh, y'all hear them pops, man. Them pops. That bitch sound like it ate Taco Bell. Yeah, man. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna tell y'all about this car intake, man. It do keep the car a little bit cooler. We got a little Mero coming up, man. Y'all, it do keep the car a little bit cooler. I ain't gonna lie. And the sound a little bit deeper. On the cold starts is a little bit louder, but it ain't nothing too crazy, man. It just make the car breathe a little bit better to me. It more smooth. And I did notice better throttle response for sure. Better throttle response for sure. Better throttle response. Let y'all hear some of these exhaust notes. Let down this window a little bit. Let y'all hear that exhaust off them trees. We got a little Challenger behind me, man. And y'all know this is my favorite road to hit this bit on too. So you know I'm finna give y'all a crazy pull. No cap. Telling you, man, that cold air intake, man, this bitch breathes so much better. No cap. Before the cold air intake, man, that bitch sound like it had a stopped up nose. Now that bitch sound like it's clear. Super clear, man. That bitch, you can hear the air coming in with this motherfucker. But yeah, man, y'all just make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let me know what y'all want to see, man. It cold as a motherfucker. I'm getting y'all this content, man, and it cold. But yeah, man, we just gonna let y'all hear these exhaust notes with this new setup and this cola intake, man. So y'all just, you feel me? Keep rocking, keep watching. Hey man, is it me, bro? Or if y'all see another Mopar, anything like that, y'all try to bully it up out y'all way? Or is it just me? Cause I know I be on that ass, man, like back pocket. Just a little Mopar brotherly love, you feel me? Let y'all hit that bit off these trees. Woo! Telling that motherfucker talking. That bitch sounds so crazy off them trees, man. Man, let me know how y'all feel about this last year of Mopar, man. Let me know how y'all feel about that, man. Me personally, I think if you got a Hemi, anything with a Hemi in it, Charger, Challenger, I feel like that motherfucker antique car now, collectible. You know what I'm saying? I feel like anything with a Hemi in it, 5.7, 6.1, 6.2, 6.4, I feel like that's a collectible item now, since they done start making them. Last year they started making them. So let me know how y'all feel about that, man. But look though, we coming to the end of this video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And man, tell me what y'all want to see next, man. I got a legal pit that I'm going to, so y'all stay tuned for that, man. That video gonna be lit, so Yeah, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. I'm gone.